Today I wanted to take you on a tour of a cute little 2-1 single family house that we converted recently into a 3-bedroom with 1.5 bathrooms. It currently rents for $1,150 a month. It's a great little cash flowing property, and we did some major renovations in here, as you can see. We're going to walk through the whole house and give you a look, and then at the end, if it's something that you like, we've got plenty more just like it in store for you. That wraps it up for this property. Like what you're seeing and hearing? I have good news and bad news. This one has already sold, but we get new inventory weekly. If you haven't talked to me yet about unlocking your way to retirement with Mailbox Money, then give me a call right now. 513-443-8008.